was young, I was wild, thought I had it all. Played the game, broke the reels now. Never thought I'd fall. Now I'm staring at these pictures, memories so cold. Wishing I could turn back time, rewrite the stories told. I was blinded by the streets, chasing all the fame. Never saw the love you gave, now I'm drowning in the pain. Late nights, empty bed, echoes in my mind. If I had another chance, girl, I'd never leave your side. If I could turn back time, I would love you only. Rewind. You would never be lonely. I was lost in the dark, now I see the light. Girl, I swear I'd hold you close and treat you right. All the tears that you cried, they were diamonds to me. Now I see the way they shine, but I let you be. I was caught up in the fast life, running too free. Now my heart's in a cage, and I lost the key. I should have stayed, should have fought, should have held you tight. Told you every single day that you're my guiding light. Now the echoes of your voice keep me up at night. I was wrong, you were right, now I pay the price. If I could turn back time, I would love you only. You would never be lonely. I was lost in the dark, now I see the light. Girl, I swear I'd hold you close and treat you right. Tell me, is there hope? Can we find a way? Would you take me back, or is it too late? Every heartbeat screams your name. Now I know love ain't a game. If I could turn back time, I'd make you stay, love you deeper, never fade away. No more tears, no more pain, just you and me forever again.